Want to share your Facebook post on Instagram? No worries, I've got you covered. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. All right, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android, or head over to facebook.com if you're on a computer. Before you can cross-post, your Facebook and Instagram accounts need to be linked. To do that, tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. On a computer or Android, it's at the top right. Select Settings, and then go to Account Center by tapping See More. Scroll down to the Accounts section and tap on it. If your Instagram account isn't linked yet, hit Add Accounts. Tap Continue and log into your Instagram. Now that your accounts are connected, let's post on both platforms at once. Head back to the home page and tap What's on Your Mind. Type your post, but here's the catch. Instagram doesn't support text-only posts. You'll need to add a photo. Tap the camera icon, allow access if prompted, and either take a new photo or upload one from your gallery. Once you've added your photo, tap the Instagram icon next to Album to enable cross-posting. Hit Next or Post at the top right, and boom, your post goes to both Facebook and Instagram. That's it. Super easy, right? If this helped, smash that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.